Mouth-melting and packed with proteins to the core, these dhoklas represents everything that dhoklas stand for. Scrumptious, tasty and aromatic. Hi guys, this is Ruchi Bharani. Welcome to Rajshri Food and let's see the recipe for Moong Dal Dhokla. Let's start with making the batter for the dhoklas. So I've soaked about half a cup of green moong dal in hot water for about 4 to 5 hours and separately also soak 3 tablespoons of whole moong in hot water for 4 to 5 hours. And now let's grind all the ingredients together. So in a blender, drain out all the water from the dal and now let's add it in. Since this is a Paryushan recipe, I'm not going to add any of the fresh ingredients. And now let's grind this into a paste. Let's check on this. This is a nice smooth paste. Just in case if there are a few bits and pieces of the whole moong dal, it's fine. Remove this batter in a bowl. Now into this batter, I'm going to add all the seasoning ingredients and also the soaked whole moong. Half a teaspoon of salt powder or dry ginger powder. 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. Just a pinch of citric acid, just a small pinch, a few granules, salt to taste, a teaspoon of oil. Give this a good mix. Do not add too much water in grinding the dal. If you feel the need to churn the blender, just add about 2 tablespoons. I've also kept some water to boil in the steamer and I have here a 6 inches greased tin. Once the water starts to boil, in the batter add in 1 teaspoon of fruit salt. Give it a good mix and as you can see, the batter is becoming nice and fluffy. Quickly pour this batter in the tin. And now this goes into the steamer to cook for 20 minutes. Place the tin, cover it and let it cook for 20 minutes on high flame. 20 minutes are up, let's turn off the flame and now let's open the lid. The dhokla is nicely fluffed up like a cake. Let's bring it out. Let's run the knife on the sides. Let's flip it over. Let it just cool down for a few minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the tadka for it. Heat some oil or ghee. I'm just going to use both of them. Turn on the flame. Once the oil is nice and hot, add in mustard seeds, a teaspoon, some Asafoetida or hing, 1 dry red chilli. Pour this tadka over the dhokla. Let's sprinkle some achar masala or dry pickle powder. Let's cut it into pieces. It's nice and spongy and you can see bits and pieces of the whole moong as well. Let's plate these pieces. Serve them nice and hot. These moong dal dhoklas are the perfect snack during Paryushan. They're extremely healthy, so do give it a try and let me know how it turned out. And also serve it with some tadka dahi or some peanut chutney. I'll see you soon and don't forget to subscribe to Rajshri Food. Bye-bye.